and welcome to today's video. As the title implies, today we are going to be opening up my October Ipsy subscription. This one is actually quite large and a little on the heavier side, and there is a caution here about keeping away from direct sunlight. So I'm getting the feeling there's probably going to be something like aerosol-like in here or a spray bottle of some kind, but I'm excited to see what's in here. I don't think I've had any spoilers so far. Okay, so it's a sort of nice deep orange bag this month with a embossed masquerade mask on it, sort of stamped into it, which I guess is sort of a Halloween theme kind of thing. So I don't think there's anything else left in the bag. Let me just double check. Nope. So let's reach in and grab the first little box that I feel. Okay, it's from a brand that I have heard of before, IBY Beauty. I've received a palette from them before. This is a City Limits Lush eyeshadow in the shade Dance Party, I believe. Eyeshadows are richly pigmented, buttery and blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. Let's see what the shade looks like. I feel like from looking at here that it's gonna be something like metallic or shiny. Okay, it's a very tiny little sample. And okay, that looks almost like dark gray. Yeah, that's like a matte charcoal, which is not at all what I was expecting. I mean, maybe it fits with the Halloween theme of like dark makeup. So that's interesting. As I said, I have tried this brand before. You know, it looks like a nice smooth matte. Okay. I've got the card in here, so I'm just gonna take that out. It does say on here, who said nights were for sleep? Ipsy after dark. So I don't know, I guess it's just a going out kind of thing. Okay, this feels like, okay, no, it is, oh, it is a Makeup Forever concealer, I'm guessing. Invisible Cover Foundation. So that is a little tiny foundation sample. Oh, it comes with a little tiny pump bottle. That's kind of neat. I think it'll match me close enough. It may be a little bit dark, but okay, I have never tried a makeup foundation product, so that is exciting. Does it say what the shade is on here? R230? No idea what that means, but it'll be fun to test out a foundation. I don't know how many uses I'll get out of this. What's in here? 0.16 fluid ounces. Okay, well, considering usually a foundation is 1 fluid ounce, you know, you're getting like 15% of what you normally would, so I feel like I should be able to get some good tries out of that. Okay, Ipsy, I feel a few big things in here. Let's go for the other small thing in here that feels like a little flat package again. Ooh. So this is from the Balm. This is the Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer in the shade Oliver. So okay, there we have a bronze shade that is, you know, very cool toned, I want to say. But that looks like it'll be really nice. It is a very matte shade, no shine in that whatsoever. That looks like it could be good. I actually find these little tiny balm samples do really well. I've had a bronzer from them before as well as a blush. And you actually get like a good amount of pigment and can use them really well, even considering, you know, they tend to be smaller samples. So now we're getting into some of the larger things in here. I'm gonna take out the spray bottle that I feel. So what do you think? Setting spray, dry shampoo, hairspray? Okay, it's an Orbe dry texturizing spray. Oh, I've heard of Orbe. I've never used it before. Dry texturizing spray. Shake, spray where you want volume, style to desired finish and hold, a brilliant alternative to dry shampoo. So I just washed my hair this morning, but hey, let's add a little bit of volume to it. Let's do this. Okay, do I need to turn this or something? Okay, you just have to press it harder than I was pressing it. Oh my goodness, that scared me. Good thing I wasn't pointing it at my face or anything. Okay. It has a nice smell to it. Am I getting much more volume? maybe a little bit. Okay, I will play around with that and not spray it at my face or startle myself again. It feels like I'm gonna go through this quickly. Dry shampoo samples at this size, I mean, I tend to use so much dry shampoo that this will last me like a couple of weeks. And finally, this maybe feels like a lip product. Let's see. Okay, it is a lip gloss from a company I've not heard of called Ipsy. Ipsy, if you can see that. This is a lip gloss, as I said, paraben-free, cruelty-free. It's in the shade Aura, I believe. Let's take a look. Whoa, okay. This is one of those like holographic type shades. I don't know if you can see how very green this looks. I feel like it's showing up a little bit more blue on camera, but this looks like lime green in the tube and like full of micro shimmer. It looks not hollow, but like duochrome. That actually smells quite nice. So I think I'm gonna test this out. Overall, I'm pretty excited about everything I got. That IBY shadow, just because it's a plain sort of charcoal gray matte, not so thrilled about, but the foundation, the Orbea spray, this, and then also the bronzer. I think these are going to be really fun to play around with and to see how they work and test out and everything else. There's a nice mix in here of brands that I know of, like Makeup Forever and The Balm, and brands that I've not heard of before. Orbea I've heard of before, but not actually had a chance to test myself. And then Ipsy, never heard of it before. So that is what I received in my Ipsy bag. If you like these unbaggings, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what you got in your Ipsy bag. Put that in the comments down below. Tell me what you would like to see me test in the comments down below as well. I do try to answer everybody who leaves a comment in the comments. Yeah, that's it for me. If you've not subscribed to my videos and you want to be subscribed to my channel, I'll make my face pop up there so you can subscribe. I'll put another video down here that you can watch if you want to spend some more time with me today. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.